Welcome to the Lead Forward Learning video for the Teacher Learning Reports. To find the Teacher Learning Reports, just go to leadforward.com. Once you're on our webpage, click Resources. From the Content Builder tab, you'll find the Teacher Learning Reports on the right side of the page. Teacher Learning Reports are available in all 4 core content areas and in grades kindergarten through high school, in both Word and PDF versions. Since English Language Arts and Spanish Language Arts are quite different than the other content areas, we're going to start there. Teacher Learning Reports for English and Spanish Language Arts are designed and organized to support instructional planning around the components of a reading and writing classroom, and these closely align with the Lead Forward text snapshots. Each Teacher Learning Report starts with the instructional component in the gray heading, along with primary knowledge and skills statements. Below are the subclusters, shown with dark blue headings. The application statements represent the end goal, what we're looking for, listening for, and moving students to be able to apply independently. The standards within that cluster are the focus of instruction as we work towards application of the end goal. Using this example from Grade 8 Reading, we'll look at a couple of other features. You will find an asterisk or star next to any student expectations in reading and writing that are eligible for assessment on STAR. The asterisk will be removed or modified when any changes in the text designated as part of the assessed curriculum are made. Also, this symbol is used to indicate a long strand concept. It is a reminder that this concept is important and it runs through multiple grades. For a more in-depth discussion of long strands, check out our long strand learning video. The checkpoint section is most useful for those who subscribe to the Lead Forward data module in one of the data tool partner systems. Every checkpoint can be used as a measure of the student learning with a single test or multiple tests, including STAR, district assessments, and campus or teacher-created tests that are in your data system and that are coded by student expectation. Following the Reading Teacher Learning Reports are those for writing, composition, revision, and editing. Math, Science, and Social Studies Teacher Learning Reports organize the standards into text clusters or unique bundles of student expectations that reflect the way that concepts or topics are taught. These also closely align with local units of instruction. For these content areas, the text cluster title is at the top in gray, along with the corresponding primary knowledge and skills statements. Immediately below are the process standards tools to know, which are the standards that represent how kids access information or get started. At the bottom of each Teacher Learning Report are the process ways to show, which are how kids will be required to demonstrate learning. Since process standards should be integrated within all instructional planning and delivery, these sections are duplicated on every Teacher Learning Report page within the designated course. Between the process sections, we have content. The overall big concept or topic is broken down into smaller chunks known as subclusters. Bundles of student expectations within each subcluster may include identified readiness standards in green, supporting standards in yellow, and any non-tested standards in white. And finally, on Science, Math, and Social Studies Teacher Learning Reports, if you see the double arrow symbol, it's telling you that this text cluster deserves a little more attention as they are high-impact concepts. There are typically about 3 or 4 text clusters with double arrows in each course. While Math and Science have identical designs, a quick note about Social Studies. Social Studies Teacher Learning Reports bundle student expectations by concepts, eras, or topics of study. Since many standards in Social Studies are included in multiple text clusters, the focus for planning and data analysis is at the subcluster level. Anchor standards are noted with this symbol as the primary or key student expectation within the bundle of standards for each subcluster. Remember that there are many resources to support your work on the Lead Forward website. Teacher Learning Reports and other resources are also available on the free Lead Forward app. Additionally, the Lead Forward crew is always here for you. At Lead Forward, we believe that when you lead learning, you change the world. Thanks for watching.